Hello, in this HTML crash course video, we're going to cover the iframe tag. What is an iframe tag? Well, an iframe tag allows you to embed a website within a website. So you have, your website. So let's go here. This is our website so far. Very simple, but it's a website nonetheless. And if we had an iframe tag, let's say that was about this big, we could have a website displayed in here. So we could have an actual website displayed and we can interact with it as if it was a normal website. There are some websites that don't work in iframe for whatever reason. I'm not too sure whether they've disabled it or whether it's the limitations of iframe, but it is still a pretty cool piece of functionality. And iframes have other uses as well, especially when you look into authorization for logins in some sort of backend system like PHP. That's well beyond, I would say, the first year or two of web development learning, but it's just something of what I mentioned. So to create an iframe tag, very simple. You do iframe and close it off, and you put a source, which is the actual website itself. So I'm going to put http www.w3schools.com. So this is just the W3 Schools website. If I save that, refresh, as you can see, we now have the W3 Schools website. I can scroll up and down. This website is very nice and responsive, so I've got a mobile-like experience. If I didn't, I would be able to scroll left and right as well, but at the moment I can only scroll up and down. So if I were to go here, click Learn HTML, I can scroll down and I'm literally interacting with the website. The final thing I'm going to cover in this video is how to explicitly set the width and the height. So do width as an attribute. I'm going to put 512. I'm going to put the height, I think you guessed it, 512. Refresh, and there we go. We have a iframe tag. Let's just show you in here. So iframe right here, it is pretty darn cool. I think this is a very cool feature. It's something that you probably won't, I won't say that you won't use a lot, but it's not like a div tag that you're going to be constantly using it. But there will be certain scenarios that come up and the iframe tag is just the ideal tag for that situation. So that's it for iframes. If you have any questions, feel free to post it on my education platform, sonarlearning.co.uk. There will be a link in the description to the source code from this video and the source code of every other video in this series that actually has source code. Obviously, the intro doesn't. And if you like the video, please let us know. If you didn't, please let us know as well, so we can improve it for next time. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day, great weekend, and just a great life in general.